紅彩預計派彩3號、1號、5號、11號順序派34,931蚊。
2000就再睇檔位啦，係嘛？即係到時啊。
不過呢場嗰隻優才啊，唔知搞乜鬼，好走去放頭。
係啦，放到咁快添啊，仲要。
放，跟住
佢係咪諗住自己有2200米嘅能力？
各位來賓，香港經典杯頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation ceremony of the Hong Kong Classic Cup will now commence.
Hello everyone, congratulations to the winning horse Ruby Lord winning the Hong Kong Classic Cup。本年度4歲馬嘅經典賽事系列嘅至關香港經典杯嘅冠軍咧已經誕生啦，就係由球星啊勇奪呢一項嘅殊榮嘅，恭喜晒！ Now may I invite the club steward, Mr. Lester Huang, to present the main trophy in a miniature of the Hong Kong Classic Cup to the owner of Ruby Lot. We have the Hong Kong Football Club Horse Racing Syndicate and now represented by Mr. New。 我哋見到咧，香港賽馬會董事黃家純先生咧，啱啱咧就係頒發咗賽事嘅主杯咧，就係俾球星嘅馬主香港足球會嘅團體嚇，我哋有 Mr. New 代表㗎。而家我哋就將咧呢一個嘅小型獎杯咧繼續頒發啦。And now Mr. Huang is presented in miniature and represented by Mr. Philip Low to receive this miniature。我哋咧小型獎杯咧就係由羅生咧係代表住球星嘅馬主香港足球會團體咧就係接受㗎。Thank you. And now Mr. Huang is going to present a miniature to the winning trainer David Hayes。繼續咧，黃生咧就係會將小型嘅獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師大衛希斯，恭喜晒！ And now Mr. Huang is going to present the miniature to our winning jockey Brandon Abdullah。 最後黃生咧就會將小型嘅獎杯嘅頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅騎師艾杜啦，恭喜晒 ！Congratulations! Now we'd like to invite everyone on stage for group photo。當然喺呢個時候咁開心，我哋一定咧就要影翻張大合照啦嚇。A very exciting race indeed. Can you look at the front, all our media friends? Congratulations once again. And this is near the end of the Hong Kong Classic Cup Trophy presentation. The final leg of our 4-year-old Classic Series, the BMW Hong Kong Derby, will be held at Sha Tin Racecourse on March 23rd. You must not miss a chance to witness the born of our new star. See you all and goodbye. 咁唔該晒咁多位，香港經典杯嘅頒獎儀式咧，亦都已經圓滿結束啦。而3月23號將會咧就係舉行4歲馬匹啊，我哋經典賽事系列嘅壓軸大賽——寶馬香港大杯大賽。到時見大家啦，我哋一齊見證咧就係4歲新星嘅誕生。到時見，拜拜。
好，再一次恭喜勝出嘅馬主同埋騎練啦！一場非常之精彩嘅即係